Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to explore new tokens on Binance. So I will just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in, and below the dashboard you will see there is the option is new listing. So I will just tap on this new listing, and inside the new listing here is the latest token generate in Binance. So number one is ACT token, number two is Peanut, and third Cetus, Cow, and Kaya token, which is in profit. Green means which it has been in profit, and number five is SCR token. So red, which is in red section, it mean this token is newly but it is in loss. So this is how you can check it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.